Hey guys, today, let's learn how to fix the name drop problem on iOS 17. So if you're not experiencing the name drop, or you are facing some issues, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first in order to fix this issue is to double check if your iPhone supports the name drop feature. Now not all iPhones under the iOS 17 software supports the name drop feature, but basically, if you are using the iOS 17 software, you will have this name drop feature, but we do need to go ahead and know as well if your device is optimized for iOS 17 to be used and to basically be applied onto your device. So as of the current moment, and based on the Apple's website, basically the devices that support the iOS 17 is just up to the iPhone 11 and above. So if you are using iPhone 7, iPhone SE, iPhone 8, or the iPhone X, this will not run the iOS 17 software. Basically, it were just stuck with the iOS 16 software, which is why in the case that you're wondering why you don't have the iOS 17, why you don't have the name drop feature, it is because you might be using an outdated iPhone and your device is not also updated to the iOS 17 software. If in the case that you were using a device that is compatible with iOS 17 and you also have the iOS 17 software as downloaded on your device, well, you need to go ahead and basically use the name drop gesture correctly. So what is the proper way to basically use the name drop gesture? Well, basically, you need to go ahead and align both devices together. So go ahead and hop onto your friend up there, and then you need to go ahead and stick the tops of those two devices together. Basically, where your front camera and then your earpiece meets, you need to go ahead and stick them together or hold them side by side each other so that the specific name drop feature will actually work. Now, you also need to go ahead and have this name drop feature enabled under your settings. You might have this turned off by default, so you need to double check. And all we need to do that is to launch the settings application, and I want you to tap on General and want to go to AirDrop, and you need to have this option called Bringing Devices Together enabled. So once you have this enabled, guys, you can actually go ahead and as well use a name drop feature and enjoy this new feature on your device. And that's basically for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys did learn something, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.